Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. So today I'm going to be showing you how to trade the next candlestick and the next market direction live here on Pocket Option trading platform. So I'm looking at this market and it looks good. It's basically an uptrend, and I'll be marking out some key levels which I've already done. So I'll be predicting the next candle using 1 minute candlestick or 1 minute prediction and maybe an expiry time too. All right, so let's see the 5 minutes chart here. So the market is actually in a very good uptrend. It's just tapping out the key level there, and it's obviously going higher highs and higher lows. We can see strong bias movement into the market. So I will have to see if I can still join with bias on the trend, or we can catch some reversal moves. All right, so at the close of that candle, I'm going to take the next trade. So do want to click the subscribe button and join my Telegram community. All the links are in the description of this video. All right, so I'm going to go with the lower option here. So I went to the lower option here because you can see, like I said, the market is giving higher highs and higher lows. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So the previous candle there was a weak green candle. So that didn't give me enough confidence to go with buyers. So I had to just go with sellers, expecting the pullback, just a 1 minute pullback, and you can see it's currently at a key level. So let's see how it goes. Okay, sellers are coming in gradually. All right. We're seeing some bias movements. Okay, bias is still looking strong. But probably sellers are going to come in on the next candle. So I'm going to go with sellers again twice. Good. So I went to the lower option here because the first signal I saw was actually clear. That signal I saw was actually clear. And this green candle is just a breakout candle. And after that kind of candle, the market tends to pull back. So I'm very, very sure I'm going to get sellers now. And you can see on the 5 minute chart, maybe a new 5 minutes candle started. So that will help us to bring in the sellers now. All right, you can see that huge drop. I know this thing. I've mastered it over time, and that's just how the market delivers price. All right, so this should be a good win and a good recovery. All right, we have a few seconds more. All right, there we go. Perfect. All right, perfect. That was a good item and a good recovery on the second trade. I knew we were going to get a pullback very, very soon. It was actually close. So now we got a seller's candle. I'm not sure. So we may likely have the higher high, higher low continuation, or maybe we could likely get some more sellers. All right, let's see the close of this candle. I'm suspecting the 5 minute candle is going to bring in more sellers for us. I think it's going to bring in more sellers. All right, this candle is closing very well. All right, there we go. It's a strong candle. I'm going to sell. So I took a lower option here because you can see the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We could get more sellers coming into the market before the trend continues. So the previous sell candle was really strong. So it's a very simple trade. A very simple trade. It's a very simple decision to go with sellers. All right, the market is already dropping. We've seen some sellers entry already, and I'm sure it's going to close as a red candle. All right, let's see how it goes. That's very good. That's very good. We had a strong sell candle there, even broke a level. So I think we're at a crossroad now. We see that the market starts continuation of the trend, which is higher highs and higher lows. We get to see some good buyers entry, or sellers could likely keep on bringing the market down. So that's why patience comes in. That's where patience comes in. I would have to be patient to be able to observe when the next candle will be. Then I can be able to break the next trade. All right, let's see the close of this candle. We're doing well. All right, we see some good buyers candle. Buyers are coming in very nicely from the level. So that means they are showing interest in continuing the trend, the higher, the major upward trend. So at the close of that candle, I may likely go with buyers. Okay, I'm going to buy. So I took out option here, like I said, because higher high, higher low pattern. We have a continuous uptrend. Okay. So it's a very straightforward price action here. And I'm expecting buyers to continue the market higher. All right, they're coming in. Let's see how it goes. Just a little push higher, and then we should win the trade. All right, it's coming in. We have a few seconds more. Can it hold with buyers? All right, amazing. That was the last push I was just looking for. Perfect, perfect. All right, that was a good item. So far, I took 4 trades on this video. We had about 3 wins and 1 loss. Still, even from the loss, we had to recover the previous. From the win, we have to recover our previous loss times 2. All right, amazing. So you can see the price action here: high, low. You see that the market breaks that high, or the market continues higher or reverses. Okay, amazing. Hope you find the video insightful. Do have to hit the subscribe button. Like I said, join my Telegram community. All the links are in the description of the video. I'm going to see you all on the next one. I wish you all good luck with trading. Peace. Bye for now.